Hello, dear students. I am Assistant Professor M. Kutwal, Department of Agronomy. Today we discuss lecture number 5 and 6. In that, definition of cropping system, cropping pattern, multiple cropping system, and its classification, advantages and disadvantages. Cropping system, it can be defined as the order in which the crops are grown or cultivated on a piece of land over the fixed period. The system can be defined as, or a system means it a set of components which are closely related and interacting among themselves. Then cropping pattern is yearly sequence and special arrangement of crops on a same piece of land over a same period of time. Then classification and type of cropping system. Cropping system for dryland and irrigated areas. So monocropping or monoculture we can say. So the cropping system in which only one major crop is grown on the same land year after year is called as a monocropping. Example, rice wheat cropping system or wheat sorghum cropping system or cotton sorghum cropping system. Monoculture, it is the repetitive growing of only one crop on same piece of land year after year, that is rice after rice and bajra after bajra, etc. Advantages of monoculture or monocropping, and that convenience, first convenience in sowing with the help of machinery under mechanized farming. Second, it is convenient for harvesting with the help of machinery. Disadvantages, sometimes fertility and productivity of the soil are lowered if suitable soil management practices are not followed. Then second one, soil structure may be destroyed, increase infestation of pests and diseases, and also weed. Multiple cropping, in that multiple cropping, the cropping system in which two or more crops are grown either in succession or sequence or association for entire or part period of their life cycle on the same field in a year is called multiple cropping. Then parallel multiple cropping, when two or more crops are grown in association for part or entire period of their life cycle is called as parallel multiple cropping. It includes following cropping systems, in that first, mixed cropping, growing two or more crops simultaneously with no distinct row arrangement is known as mixed cropping. Types of mixed cropping system. First, mixed crop. Seeds are different crops are mixed together and then sown either in line or broadcast is called as a mixed crop. Then companion crop. Seeds of different crops are not mixed together but different crops are sown in different rows as called as companion crop. Then guard crop, the main crop is sown in the center surrounded by hardy crop to provide protection to main crop is called as guard crop. Example, sunflower around wheat. Augmenting crop subcrops are sown to supplement the yield of main crop. The subcrops is called as augmenting crops. For example, Japanese mustard with berseem. Intercropping, it is cropping system in which crops is grown in between rows of major crop without affecting the optimum plant population as well as yield of the major crop. Type of intercropping system. First, a parallel cropping. In that parallel cropping, cultivation of such crops which have different natural habit and zero competition is called as a parallel cropping. For example, black gram, green gram plus maize. In that pictures we clearly show the parallel cropping and companion cropping. In that parallel cropping, cultivation of such crops which have different natural habit and zero competition. For example, green gram plus maize. Then companion cropping system in which such intercropping where the population of both intercrops is equal to that its sole planting, means no plant population adjustment. For example, sugarcane plus mustard, potato or onion, either it's one of the crop can be cultivated in main crop in sugarcane. Then a relay cropping system and alley cropping system. In case relay cropping, it is a cropping system in which succeeding crops next crop is or sown or planted when the first crop or succeeding crop has reached its physiological maturity stage or before it is ready to harvest is called as relay cropping. Example, rice, linseed. In rice field, rice main crop and linseed or lentil or black gram or either chickpea can be sown. Alley cropping system, the system of growing jawar, maize, bajra or any other arable crop in the alley or alley means passage between two rows of leguminous shrubs like subabul, Leucaena leucocephala, this botanical name of subabul, is this system we call as a alley cropping system or alley cropping. Then a multi-stored cropping system. In this system, the crops of a different height and vertical layer of leaf canopies, sunlight requirement and root system are grown together on the same field is called as multi-stored cropping. Then sequential multiple cropping. It is the multiple cropping system in which two or more crops are grown in sequence on the same piece of land in a year or over the fixed period. Sequence cropping. In this cropping system, two or more crops are grown in sequence one after another on the same piece of land in a year. Example, rice, wheat, green gram. Sequential cropping is also called as a non-overlapping cropping system. Last one cropping system, that is the ratoon cropping or ratooning. The cultivation of crop regrowth after harvest is known as ratoon cropping. Most of the different cereals crops, grasses crops having regrowth in that. For example, sorghum, sugarcane, Napier grass, lucerne grass, they have regrowth property or regrowth capability, and we have to multiple clods can be obtained or maximum yield from that. So I hope all of you understand these concepts to relating the cropping system and their classification. So if you like this video, you can like and comment on comment box. Thank you very much.